pasar ikan yang Amerika. Let's go, let's check it out here.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Are you ready to move? Yep. This one.
It's called this one.
Wow. Kita mau cari apa di sini?
Nggak ada, kita mau lihat kepiting.
Oh, lihat kepitingnya. Oke, ya, siap. Tuh crabnya benar-benar baru bro, baru keluar dari laut. Jadi langsung diambil pakai bot ini yang belakang sini nih, berbot ini. Ya udah, habis itu langsung dijual. Tadi masa crabnya itu besarnya itu tadi berapa pon tadi itu? 4 pon kayak 2 kilo gitu bro. Buset dah, gede banget bro. Gimana cara makannya tuh crab? Gonna eat crab?
No, yeah.
Look at the crab there. Ooh, that's like a monster crab there. Ooh, they're so big. They're so big crab.
Can we go over there?
There's a lot of them inside there. Wow, that's inside there.
There, crab?
Yeah, they're trapped inside.
We cannot go.
Yeah, sure.
Can we pull up?
No, it's too heavy, I believe. Kata fisherman ya, ini baru ditangkap malam-malam, baru malam tadi. Jadi masih fresh banget, masih fresh. So big. Oh, this is gonna go away. So this crab session is until how long is it?
Until the end of June.
End of the year?
Yeah,
Oh,
but
okay.
right now it's
Okay.
because every day there's less crabs than the other thing
All right.
until they grow up again.
Okay. So the peak month is kind of like today,
Well, between now and Christmas.
only Christmas.
Yeah, that's the best fishing right
It is the best one. So you mean in Christmas kind of like much cheaper then?
Well, maybe if Washington and Oregon start
Yeah.
fishing, right now we're the only ones.
Oh,
The price is probably going to go up next week, so
Oh, okay.
there's not that much crab.
got it.
You want a three?
Yeah, 3 only.
Okay, three.
Ooh, that's our crab. Look at that.
Can we crab?
And hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Boom, 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 and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I don't care.
What's the difference female crab and the male one?
A female would never be that big. She'd
Yeah.
only be about like that.
Okay.
Has a very rounded.
All right.
See how the pointed tail of the male?
Yeah.
A female is very rounded, and that opens up, and that's where she holds the eggs at.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and a female is able to hold sperm up here,
Yeah.
and she takes her fingers and runs it through the sperm and fertilizes the eggs, and she
Oh.
can hold sperm for like 2.5 years
Wow.
and just continue to fertilize eggs. Yeah, so they're really
Wow.
cool little critters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he get like sperm, I mean, inside herself.
No,
No.
they actually mate.
Oh,
They actually mate.
Oh, they
yeah.
made it.
But they mate fairly, and she stores it. Yeah, but they'll start mating very young. Very
Oh,
small.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So people's looking for a female than a male.
If you go out and fish on a sport license, you can catch female. but commercial we cannot catch female.
Oh, I get
We only
it.
bring in males.
So you get a female and then you're gonna let it go?
We let it go right where we caught it, so they're close to home. We don't want to move them too far. So as soon as we catch it in the pot, we toss it right back in the water.
Oh, got it.
Let them. We voted years ago to not bring in any females to have a sustainable resource,
Okay.
and so we picked a certain size, sex, being only
okay.
males, and the season, and so we have a pretty good sustainable resource.
All right. Cool. All right, thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
Bisa. Wah, seru bro. Jadi ternyata di sini nangkap crab juga atau nangkap kepiting itu nggak sembarangan bro. Jadi katanya tadi nggak boleh juga kita nangkapnya itu yang cewek-cewek. Terus yang udah masih kecil itu nggak boleh kita tangkap juga. Jadi memang diatur di sini semua. Kalau nggak dia bisa kena fine katanya gitu. Sekarang kita ada another problem. Gimana cara bunuh crab ini bro di rumah? Buat ngemakannya gimana caranya ya? Crab kita hidup nggak? Oke, udah mati nih crabnya. Itu dia bro, keseruan kita beli crab di hari ini. Saksikan terus, jangan lupa subscribe Bro Hidayat Squad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.